Now it's time to update a book. Well, update is a little tricky because we need both request.params and request.body. In fact, we need an ID param to find the book in the database. Then we need request.body to update it. So let's implement it. We need a new route for update a book. This time we need to use app.put because we use put method to update a resource. So the route must be /books/:id. And we have an async callback function with a try catch again. In catch, we receive the error and first log it to the server console, then return a response with the status of 500 and error message. In try block, first let's have a validation. We check title, author, and publisher, and if one of them are missing, we return a response with the status of 400 and a message. Then we destructure the ID from request.params. This time, I don't create a new variable like HTTP post method of create a book. I use book.findById and update and pass ID as first parameter and request.body as second parameter, and I save the result in a variable. Then we can check the result. If the result is false, we return a status of 404 with a message. Else, we return a status of 200 with a message. You can use any message you want. Now, let's go to the postman and test it. I create a new request. The request method is put. The URL is book/id. So let's copy one book ID. Then we need body. We previously sent a body on creating a book, so now you are familiar with it. I put some random data here and then I press send. And if we see our success message, it means that everything works fine and we can simply go and check that book to see if it is updated or not. And also, let's test an invalid ID and check the result again. So with invalid ID, we will receive 404 with its message.